Working with genomic data and got an FNA file? This contains DNA, RNA sequence data in the standard FASTA format used throughout bioinformatics. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these FASTA Nucleotide sequence files. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked, installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific FNA application fails. More details to follow. A text-based file format used in bioinformatics to store nucleotide sequence data. Each sequence begins with a single line description followed by lines of sequence data. Researchers use .FNA files to analyze DNA, RNA, and genome assemblies, often searching for similarities against public databases. The format is intentionally simple, using plain text for maximum portability and compatibility across different operating systems and analysis tools. It consists of a header line starting with a greater than symbol for metadata, followed by the raw sequence data, making it easy to parse by both humans and machines. The FNA extension has a direct link to the NCBI BLAST application by National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI. Native Windows tools are insufficient for viewing all the file's raw data. Windows lacks full understanding of custom data formats, so proper reading requires dedicated tools. This is the first diagnostic step. Right-click your FNA file and click Open With. Test with NCBI BLAST first. If it's not there, choose a different application. Sometimes a generic viewer works better. If your FNA file will not open, do not worry. The good news is that file opening failures usually follow a pattern. You have one of three problems. I put together a short list showing the cause and the simple check. First, opening in text editor. Open FNA files in any text editor, including Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, or BBEdit. Since FASTA is plain text, the format is human-readable with greater than symbols marking sequence headers, followed by sequence data. Use text editor search functions to find specific sequences or motifs within large FASTA files efficiently. Next, using bioinformatics software. Open FNA files in bioinformatics applications like BioEdit, Genius, Prime, Eugene, or SnapGene. These applications provide sequence visualization, editing, alignment, annotation, and analysis features designed for biological sequence work. Most bioinformatics workflows accept FASTA format as standard input for various analyses. Finally, programmatic sequence processing. Process FNA files using bioinformatics libraries like BioPython, BioPerl, or Bioconductor and R-load sequences. With simple parser functions, then perform alignments, blast searches, translations, or custom analyses. These libraries handle FASTA parsing and provide extensive bioinformatics functionality for research and pipeline development. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.